Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Sparkle. They're looking for a social media engagement specialist. It pays up to $20 per hour. Do you have a passion for social media? Do you understand the value and impact of a strong social media following? Do you want to work for a company where your contributions and opinion matter? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then Sparkle is a good fit for you. Sparkle was founded in 2016 after mom of 3 boys, Lisa Souter, got tired of driving around in a filthy car. She decided to take the inconvenience out of planning a trip to the car wash by bringing the car wash directly to the customer. Because after all, life is too short to spend in line at the car wash. Sparkle has brought its waterless, eco-friendly means of mobile car washing to individuals and businesses across 9 markets in the US. We are growing fast and seeking a hard-working, dependable professional who can help us build our online brand presence. What you'll do, build our follower base on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Create, implement, and manage social media content by researching, interacting with relevant social media communities to build followers, engagement, and retention. Collaborate with management to develop social media marketing campaigns. Interact with customers and other stakeholders via the company's social media accounts in a responsible fashion. Cultivate relationships with relevant influencers that speak to our target market. Monitor social media and the broader digital landscape for key cultural moments and current trends. Leverage topics of interest for creative content development connecting our brand to potential followers and consumers. Oversees the measurement of campaign performance via social media analytics. Who you are: 2+ years professional experience with social media management. Automotive industry a plus. Passion for social media and strong understanding of various social media platforms. Strong interpersonal, verbal, and written communication skills. Detail-oriented and organized self-starter. Works autonomously in managing assigned deliverables. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment that requires flexibility and ability to adapt to change and shifting priorities. General understanding, ability in graphic design tools. Job type, part-time. Pay up to $20 per hour. Benefits, flexible schedule, day shift, Monday to Friday. Application question: can you please provide us with your LinkedIn URL? Do you have experience in the automotive industry? Experience, social media strategy, 1 year required. Social media management, 2 years required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.